Genius! Them for know say you're the maddest thing on YouTube.
Them a worry about me no worry about them. Me no worry about enemy, no worry about friend. Tell them once and me tell them twice, and now me I tell them again. Speak your mind and don't care who want vex. Yes, speak your mind. Let them hear it because them not deaf. Oh yes, I even don't care who want free. Only the truth can set I free. Speak your mind, cause I can't curse who's a jobless. Yes, the world know a long time, say me is a God bless man. Me tell them already, say me a no yes man. My conscience free like the birds and the bees. So my mind, me no have not a thing I respond. If I that for you like me, don't like me done. Me not tell you no life to be your friend. I look a friend fi agree with everything you pre. Me I tell you then say the friendship is. Speak your mind and don't care who want vex. Yes, speak your mind. Let them hear it because them not deaf. Oh yes, I even don't care who I'm free. Only the truth can set I free. Speak your mind, cause I can't curse who's a jobless. Oh yes, me don't promise Selassie I that a my pleasure for the life he make me live. Call me a dirt. Me couldn't tell nobody say blue or green, and me can't tell nobody say black or red. You see my heart the rod and I know I got this. That simple mean we not deal with what got this. Them say the truth hurt, but I with it me work. Cause the lie them where you a tell just now. Now